So you might be in a situation where your keyboard on your iPhone is just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, if you're going through and you're typing in your specific, keyboard, let's say you're typing in whatever letters, or let's say you're trying to go ahead and change your keyboard, but none of those things seem to be working. Well, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that your keyboard that you're using is properly set up. So what you can do is you can hold down on this little emoji on the bottom left corner right here, and you want to go and make your way over to keyboard settings. So what you want to do is here, you want to go ahead and see if there's any settings here that you've recently turned off or turned on that have affected your keyboard. You can also go ahead and see like your one-handed keyboard if you changed up these stylings, your text replacement, and things like that. But under keyboard up here, you also want to make sure that the specific keyboard that you're using does have the specific language that you're used to using as well. So you can see we have emoji, we have English. Well, some people I've seen, if they click edit, sometimes they will delete their emoji keyboard or they'll delete another keyboard that they're used to using. So what you can always do is click add new keyboard and you can search for your new keyboard. Or you can even search for the old keyboard that you were using before it started messing up. So find that specific keyboard, go and tap on it. And when you tap on it, it'll go and add it down here. And that's another cool thing that you have the ability of doing. Now you can always delete it, but make sure you don't delete the one you're used to using. Just delete the one that you're no longer using. And that's another thing you can try doing as well. Now, if you're using a third-party keyboard, something like Gboard or Microsoft Swift Key, well, take your look at the App Store and just make sure those keyboards are up to date. Make sure you update those keyboards. But if you're having issues with the stock Apple keyboard like this one, another thing you can probably do is make your way over to your iPhone settings like so. You want to go down into General Settings, which is right there. You want to click on Software Update right up there. And all you want to do is go ahead and update and basically see if there's an update available for your phone. For majority of people, there probably will be an update available. So go ahead and update your phone and that might end up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, you may just want to go ahead and contact Apple and see if there's an update available later on that might end up, fixing the problem too. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.